birds are real? All right, you started, bro? You started yet? Today we're asking kids if they believe birds aren't real, and if they believe they are, to change our minds. Sir, do you think birds are real?
No. Reagan killed them all.
Thank you. Do you think birds are real, sir?
I think they are.
I'm sorry, but my sign says that they're not.
Dude, I saw one today. It was flying.
I don't believe it's a spy.
From who?
Ronald Reagan in 1980 killed all the birds and replaced them with spies. Birds work for the bourgeoisie.
I agree with that.
Why would you, bruh? So, sir, you said that you agree that birds aren't real. Would you like to elaborate on that?
100%. The FBI is after us.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Alex, do you agree that birds are not real?
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
Hello, and how would you say you feel about this? All right, cool. I would like to ask how you feel about this.
I'm not gonna change your mind.
All right, sir, how do you feel about this? No, I'm talking about the sign, sir.
Hey, they're not real.
He's right. You got it. Preach.
They're secret cameras. They're cameras for the government.
Yeah, my man. Yep.
You're a freaking idiot.
How do you feel about this?
Oh yes, birds aren't real. Are you? I feel so uncomfortable.
How do you feel about this? Tell me right now.
Birds aren't real. Like they aren't real.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
How y'all feel about this?
I feel great.
Y'all want to change my mind?
Birds are just planes that aren't as technologically
I'd like you to
advanced.
repeat that.
Birds are just planes that aren't as technologically advanced.
This man is a full genius. All right. What would you want?
Birds are real. They just went somewhere else.
That's genius. All right, let's keep moving. How do you feel about this?
I approve because the birds work for the bourgeoisie and they're
Absolutely.
not actually real.
1980, Reagan killed all the birds.
Yes.
How do you feel about this?
I guess I agree.
Thank you so much. That's the correct opinion. Have a great day.
Have you ever seen a baby pigeon?
You said you had some feelings about my statement that birds aren't real. Would you like to elaborate?
Which specific type of birds are you talking about?
We're talking about all birds in 1980 were killed by Reagan and replaced with spies. Birds work for the bourgeoisie.
Okay, so if all of my chickens are spies, why are they at my house?
They would. Cameras off. Come on.